How's it going today, guys? Today we have a 2018 C300 in for a full Armytrix exhaust. The customer also went with a FI catless downpipe to combine with the full exhaust system. Alright guys, it's time to get the stock exhaust out and the new Armytrix exhaust in. Let's see how it goes. Shout out to my guy Auto Glory. With this being Mercedes inline 4, the exhaust really isn't that much work to work on. It is only held up by 2 clamps, one up here, one in the back, and it's also held up by 3 hangers, one right here, and 2 in the back. So the first thing I'm gonna start off by doing is removing the under panels to expose the fuel lines. I feel like that is the ideal spot to put it, where it's covered by the under panels and it's a solid stream all the way down to the back of the car. With this plastic under panel piece being here, it provides perfect protection for the vacuum lines to be ran all the way to the back of the car safely, being away from danger, anything to cut it, damage it, or anything. Alright guys, we're back. We're done running the vacuum lines, routing them perfectly exactly how we would want them. We decided to go with running them with the brake line, because the brake line just provided a nice safe barrier protecting the lines, just running them straight through all the way through the back. On the side of the gas tank, up above all of the suspension work, above the subframe, continue routing it with the brake line still, all the way up to the middle right here. And then you have a T-fitting allowing a split connection leading the lines to both valves. As you can see, everything's zip tied nice and neat, not too tight, not too loose. You don't want to pinch the lines. That will cause future failures or anything of the sort. Now that we have the downpipe in and the full Armytrix exhaust, it's time to hear her and see how she sounds. With this being an Armytrix exhaust, it does carry a valve system which comes with a remote where you can control and open and close the valves. So the way the remote works, you press this button simply just to close the valve, and then you would press this button to open the valve. As you can hear, a significant change in the tone of the vehicle as I open and close the valve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We would love if you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. It's coming soon.